Is Sui about to crash? SUI price drops 9% as traders pile into a new Bitcoin protocol. What does it do? Sam Cooling last updated January 26, 2024 7:43 EST 5 min read. Sui Network has undertaken a dramatic 9% drop amid worsening performance, yet could SUI price analysis reveal an upcoming push to the upside? The downside movement after a bounce off of the 20 DMA on January 23 was fueled by an announcement from Alibaba Cloud that they were increasing support for the network. But with double top rejection forming a descendant trajectory amid lower highs, many traders are shifting towards a negative sentiment on the short time frame. SUI price analysis. As Sui Network takes a tumble, could consolidation save SUI a rally? In the midst of consolidation, Sui Network is currently trading at a market price of $1.25, representing a 24-hour change of plus 6.21%. Amid the lower high at $1.31, SUI price is now fighting to consolidate around the $1.16 price level. If SUI bulls are able to mount a successful defense of this level with immediate lower support from an ascendant 20 DMA down at $1.12. The 20 DMA has provided a foothold of support for much of SUI's rally since November 2023, highlighting the importance of this key moving average. Meanwhile, the 200 DMA remains low at a 9.88% divergence below the lower trendline, offering bedrock support at 62 cents. Shifting attention to Sui Network's indicators, the RSI is emerging as a cause for concern, once again pushing up into an increasingly bearish overbought signal at 59.74. With a recent downtick also failing to significantly cool the RSI to an oversold signal, this could indicate a need for a deeper retracement on the short time frame. While the MACD is also shifting bearish with the current reading at 0.76 suggesting dwindling momentum in the chart. Overall, SUI price analysis reveals a worrying picture of a struggling consolidation characterized by lower highs and double confirmation on bearish sentiment from key indicators. This leaves SUI price with a limited upside target at $1.31 on the short time frame, a possible plus 5%. While downside risk could see SUI price tumble to lower support at $1, a potential 19.79%. Therefore, SUI price analysis is left with a risk-reward ratio of 0.26, a bad entry characterized by outsized downside risk. Overall, with SUI price analysis revealing a poor trade on the short time frame, traders are increasingly shifting their focus to a better play which emerges in the shape of the Bitcoin matrix presale. SUI price analysis alternative. New Bitcoin cloud mining project BTC MTX smashes $9.48 million raised. Dive into the innovative world of Bitcoin matrix and its pioneering stake-to-mine system as the skyrocketing presale smashes plus $9,486,555 raised as stage 21 draws to an end. Offering an enticing 75% staking APY, Bitcoin matrix provides a platform where users can buy, stake, and then watch as the rewards start accumulating. The true essence of passive income in the crypto world has never been this accessible. With the Bitcoin matrix approach, gone are the days of heavy initial capital and navigating complex mining contracts. $10 million in the crosshairs, Bitcoin matrix surges past $9.48 million, poised to outperform SUI Network. Since the 2021 bull run, Bitcoin mining has defied expectations by undertaking something of a renaissance in network growth. Bitcoin's hash rate, a measure of the total amount of computational power directed at mining Bitcoin blocks, has surged to an incredible all-time high of 525 exahashes per second a/s. This dramatic growth has been fueled by a substantial increase in the scale of Marathon Digital and Riot Platforms' mining operations. The world's largest Bitcoin miner, Marathon, reported that for Q3 2023 it had an average hash rate of 14.2 a/s, a 500% growth YoY, around 4% of the overall network hash, mining around 1,153 BTC per month, or $42.2 million USD. Meanwhile, Riot Platforms reported a new record hash rate of 10.9 a/s, mining around 368 BTC per month, or $13.3 million USD, with Riot's operations expected to grow to 20.2 a/s by summer 2024. But while the all-time high in Bitcoin network hash rate is healthy for Bitcoin network security and clearly profitable for growing mining operations, it has also begun to lose sight of the original promise of Satoshi Nakamoto's decentralization. Bitcoin mining in 2023 is the most centralized it has ever been in its short 15-year history. Why has Bitcoin mining become so centralized? A closer look at the summary of mined blocks over the past 48 hours reveals that a shocking 79% of all Bitcoin block rewards go to just two Bitcoin mining pools. Pool took the largest share at 83 blocks mined, 123%, while second largest mining pool, Founder USA, mined 76 blocks, 26%. 667%. This dwarfs the number of blocks mined by even third-place FPO Pool 34 blocks mined, around 93%, highlighting the growing challenge of increased mining centralization. This heightened network activity and increased centralization of mining power has become clearly reflected in the consequent all-time high in the difficulty rate for mining Bitcoin, currently standing at 70,440,788,833,881. It has never been harder for individual participants to engage in profitable Bitcoin mining. This challenge of heightened network difficulty, fueled by increased competition and centralization of mining power, has created the need for new solutions for the retail investor to participate in Bitcoin mining, both for network decentralization and preserving Bitcoin as a profitable activity for the individual. Enter Bitcoin Matrix, which was launched to deliver secure and transparent Bitcoin mining rewards for the retail investor through an innovative, decentralized Bitcoin cloud mining approach. Key highlights of the BTC MTX advantage over SUI price analysis verdict. Distinctive edge in the market. In an industry filled with numerous cloud mining platforms, Bitcoin Matrix carves a niche for itself. As the first ever tokenized Bitcoin cloud mining initiative, it offers an automated system that's geared for cloud-based Bitcoin mining, setting a new standard for the industry. Safety first with Ethereum blockchain. Bitcoin Matrix operates on the tried and trusted Ethereum blockchain. This ensures top-notch security and reliability, allowing users to sidestep the risks associated with external mining pools and offering a safeguard against potential fraudulent cloud mining services. Championing true decentralization. At its core, Bitcoin Matrix upholds the ethos of decentralization. In an age where centralization often introduces vulnerabilities, Bitcoin Matrix breaks the mold, redistributing mining profits from big corporations to individual retail investors through its novel stake-to-mine system. Tapping into the Bitcoin halving opportunity, perfectly poised to make the most of the upcoming Bitcoin halving, Bitcoin Matrix provides investors with a golden opportunity. The impending halving might seem daunting for miners due to reduced block rewards, but historically, such events have driven up Bitcoin's value. Bitcoin Matrix provides a platform for investors to tap into this potential surge, sans the associated capital risks. The BTC MTX presale opportunity. The ongoing BTC MTX presale has already garnered significant interest with over $9.1 raised towards its $9.5 million goal. At a competitive price of just 13 cents per token, early investors have a unique chance to be at the forefront of this stake-to-mine evolution. The bottom line, don't miss BTC MTX. In sum, Bitcoin Matrix is set to redefine the Bitcoin landscape. With its innovative methodologies, stringent security measures, and the vast potential of its stake-to-mine mechanism, it beckons as a lucrative opportunity for early bird investors. Secure your position in this transformative journey by joining the BTC MTX presale today. By BTC MTX here, follow us on Google News. Disclaimer. Crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital.